Hi, money254.co.ke is a website that is helping Kenyans to compare and apply for loans, insurance, savings accounts, and other financial products in Kenya. Today we have a challenge for you. If you had an option to open a Sacco account, a money market fund account, and the Absa Digital savings account, where would you keep your emergency savings? Let us start with the Sacco. Typically, people open a Sacco account to improve their access to credit and to earn dividends in form of shares. Credit is accessed through deposits, which are simply savings. The average annual rate of return on Sacco savings or deposits that allow you to access a loan is between as low as 6% to around 12%. There are some Saccos that may give higher returns, but those are typically outliers. To access your Sacco savings, you typically would have to give a 60-day notice with most Saccos, or if you really want to expedite this, then you may have to pay a fine, which is expressed as a percentage of the savings that you want to withdraw. Now let's move to money market funds. This is one of the popular places that people are using to keep their emergency funds today. The average annual rate of return on money market funds in Kenya, according to a site on report, is between 7.7% and 10.8%. To access your money saved in a money market fund, you would have to wait for typically 48 hours. And there may be restriction on how often you can withdraw depending on the terms of a money market fund. Now, the other option is the Absa Digital savings account, which we are using as an example of whether a savings account can be a good place to keep your emergency savings. With the Absa Digital savings account, the annual rate of return is 9%. To access your money in the event that you get into an emergency, the Absa Digital savings account allows for prompt withdrawal with no penalties. Also, the rate of accrual is daily and the compounding frequency is monthly. Now, with this information, and bearing in mind that where you keep your emergency savings is typically a place that you can easily access your money. Say your child is in hospital, you want to pay the admission fee immediately. Where would you keep your money?